think I'm going to start this recipe off with the dressing that I make for this salad. It's very easy. There's really nothing to it. I take some limes that I have over here, and we just give the limes a little roll to get all the juices going. And these are kind of small, so I might have to use another one. And then I put them in my squeezer here. It's pretty big, so I can put 2 at a time. Okay, and to the lime, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of rice vinegar, some citrus rice vinegar. I really like this flavor with this type of salads. Now, this is one of my favorite all-time seasonings that I use for lots of stuff. I've mentioned this on other videos, and I'm going to try to find the link for you for this seasoning. It's cilantro lime, Tones Cilantro Lime seasoning blend. I am going to add about a teaspoon of that in there, and we'll adjust that as needed. We're going to add some salt, some pepper, and then I'm going to whisk in some olive oil. Give it a taste. Good. A little bit more salt. And that's going to be it. We're going to set this aside. Now, for the salad, I like to use cucumbers. You can use English cucumbers. These are fine. Right now, I mean, there's plenty. Very inexpensive. You can make a lot. If you leave this salad overnight, the flavor just gets so strong. It's so delicious. Now, if you want to seed it, you can. I don't. I'm just going to leave it in there. And then we're just going to cut it into little cubes. And we're going to put it into our bowl. And just keep going. Okay, and then we're going to add some purple onion. Now, if you don't like the purple onion, you can use white onion. You can use scallions. You can leave it out if you don't like the onions. I just like to cut it very fine like this. I don't like to cube it because this way, if somebody doesn't like it, they can take it out. Just like that. And see how it just falls apart very thin. Okay, we add that to our cucumber. And then I have some serrano peppers. Now, if you want to make this kid-friendly, you can leave these out. Add as much as you want. Whatever heat your family likes. Okay, I am just going to add 1. And I like to cut this very, very fine. And I do like to remove the seeds. Now, to remove the seeds, what I do is I just get under the vein like this, and I pull it down, just like that, and all the seeds come out. Okay, get under the vein, and pull down, and it all comes out. Okay, now I am going to cut this very, very fine. We have that very fine. We're going to add this to our salad. Now, like I said, if you want to add more, add some more. Okay, and then we are going to add some tomatoes. I like to put these little cherry tomatoes. You can use whatever tomatoes you like. Okay, put these in our bowl. Okay, that should be enough. So now we have the tomatoes, and now we're going to add some cilantro. I'll put about half of this cilantro. Some people don't like it. If you don't like it, you can leave it out. If you want to add herbs, you can add parsley to this. It would be real nice. I'm just going to chop this up very fine as well. Okay, we're going to put this into our salad. This smells delicious already. Okay, let me clean this up and I'll be right back. Okay, now we're going to cut our avocado. I just get a good size avocado. I'm just going to use 1, but if you really like it, you know, use more than 1. Now, we know about avocado hand, so we don't want to do that. Put your avocado down on a napkin or a paper towel. Give it a whack, and it'll loosen up. And then just give it a little tap on your board This way you never touch the blade of the knife, okay? Don't cut yourself. So what I like to do with this is cut it into wedges. And you don't want a really ripe avocado for this because it'll make your salad look real mushy, and we don't want that. But before we put the avocado in here, we want to give this a good stir. The least you can break up the avocado, the better. This way it looks pretty. So you just want to give this a good stir. And the colors in this is just, oh my. Look at that. Delicious. Okay, so the avocado, of course, we're going to peel back the skin. And then just dice it into little wedges. Just like that. Now the last and final thing that I add to my salad is some queso fresco. What I do, you can crumble this because this crumbles very easy. I'm going to show you. See how you can just crumble this like that? But I like to leave it a little bit chunky. Just a little bit. Just like that. And then of course you add as much as you want. This is optional. And I have some cut here already. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, and now we're just going to give this a little mix. Try not to break up that avocado too much. And then we're going to take our dressing and give it a little whisk. Mix everything up. Okay, and then just give it a mix. And I would keep it in the refrigerator for at least an hour, just so that all the flavors can intensify. I mix it around too much. And look at that. That is so delicious. Now you can have this with a baked piece of chicken, with whatever you like, with a piece of fish, grilled fish. That would be delicious. I cover this and leave it in the fridge for about an hour, and I'll be back. Okay, here's the final product. Here is my avocado tomato salad dressing with the spicy vinaigrette dressing. Okay guys, here's the finished product, and it smells delicious. I tasted it and it's delicious. It's nice and crunchy, lots and lots of flavor. Like I said, you could pair this with some baked chicken, grilled chicken, with some fish. This would go really good with fish, and exactly what we're having it with today. Okay guys, that's going to conclude the video today. I sure would like it if you could give us a thumbs up for the video. The recipe and all the links will be down in the description bar. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there guys, and join our cooking community that we will soon be at 7,000 subscribers. So much for all your support guys. Okay, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.